this is how I start, and the best part is I get to do a mountain drive. So the going up to the lake I'm going to has a beautiful drive, really fun for the old sports car. Yep, I still got the Focus ST. This thing is so much faster. It gets faster every year. I get it. I have it. I don't understand it. Yeah, it's just such a great car. But yeah, gotta go. I'll probably be there around 6:15ish, and I'll be on the trail hiking by 7. Sounds good. Later. Cool. All right, guys, you're gonna enjoy this. Hang on, it's 20 minutes of your life, and I think it's gonna be a fun part. You're gonna see me camping and how I live out there. You know, I think you can learn just by watching what I do, and I'm really comfortable. Starts off with I've gotten out of the parking lot basically and gotten up the mountain about a mile. I'm happy. Look at me. Yeah, I got no words. I'm just out there.
I'm at the little trail sign right here.
And that's my first trail sign.
Junction.
This trail was marked really well.
Having a good time.
Really nice. And just some evidence of the past. And the treacherous trail. It was really neat. There was just so many just incredible sections, which just brought a tickle to your stomach. And the views were just amazing. There's a wide section. Got a little run in there. All right, right before camp, when we got to the top, there's actually a natural spring. Got about 6 liters of water, so I got to party hard. Packed up ice. Oh, yeah. And look at that beautiful cedar tree. There was a bunch of them around that spring. Guess there was a fire. You can see the trail that I walked. I will be ending up doing a loop. And to get to camp, about 4.5 miles. The elevation gain about 2,000 feet. Not too bad.
Oh yeah. I'll tell you how this stuff is. So again, guys, you want to mix it really good. This is what it looks like when you first put the water in.
Yeah, sorry guys. My brain is off at this point. I'm just hungry. And after this, it was nap time. So you can hear me wrestling around. I want people to hear that. People are interested in the Nemo pad. That's what I'm on. And then also the Enlightenment quilt. I have the whole list in the description. Kind of gives you an idea of what these items are like to live with. And then I have my lunar solo tent. I'm sleeping towards the back. At night, I actually get closer to the door, which gives me more room. But I was reading and messing around. You can clip this quilt in. It's so great. That's my sleeping bag liner. Sea to Summit, I believe. And it's big. It goes all... It's like a mummy stretchy thing. It's awesome. And then that's also my 1/8 inch foam pad from Gossamer Gear. Highly recommend that. That is a total upgrade of my life. This is the Hyperlight pillow. It's reversible, so it's a stuff sack, and then it turns into a pillow. I like it. It feels great. And this is that solar lunar tent that I was telling you guys about by 6 Moon Design. Great tent so far. I love it. I'm learning where to place it, how it sleeps. I'm learning as I go. And it's just very livable. And if you get down nice and low, you can see how it's vented around the edge. Nobody can see in, but you can see out, which is kind of cool. And then I use the tree to expand those sides out. And this is my Tyvek sheet. It cost me 20 bucks. You can get them for about $9, but this is it was the perfect size, and it's about 7 ounces, and boy, it really reflects it's just great. It's real like thick, lightweight, and everything fits underneath the vestibule, and I have a little bit of extra by twisting it to the side like I do, and it gives me like a doormat, so I don't have all that dust being kicked into my tent. And you can fold it, put a rock on it. It's really workable. It is light. You got to get it kind of on the ground first. And that's why I kind of like to stake down two ends, and then you don't have to worry about it. You just stake down the 2 ends, and then you would adjust as needed. You can see it's kind of windy. You can see the tent moving, but nothing, obnoxiously flapping around. Oh, I love this thing. Yeah, yeah. That just gives you an idea of how much room I have. And that really helps the pad not slip around. It adds extra insulation. And then it also protects and keeps my quilt straps where I need them. Oh, I like it. I slept so good. And I only clip the back side. That way I can just get in and out. And see, see, I can look outside, and I have a 360-degree view just by kind of getting down a little bit, pushing the edge of the tent down. I can look outside right quick. Yeah, that's 40 denier on that tent floor. 40D. My MSR is 15 denier. Real nice, real heavy duty yet lightweight tent. Oh, I do not recommend that lighter. I recommend the little mini Bic. And then at about 2 ounces, this is I brought this fixed blade because I was planning on having a fire. And I'm replacing that paracord also with some utility line, and I will do a video on my replacement glow-in-the-dark stuff at a later date. That's by NU25. It has a red and white light. If you really need a red light, I recommend it, but if you don't use red, I would just get the NU20. Just a lot easier to use. Not so many buttons and double clicks that you have to worry about. My mini Champ, I love that little Swiss Army knife. Venture wipes, that was kind of nice. At the end of the evening, I wiped down my arms and neck. I felt clean. It was nice. That was my fire starter. Have some tinder in there, and then a compass, which is very necessary, guys. And then my short cords, which are very convenient for me. It's exactly what I need. And that's it. Those are my, other than my camping gear, I have a medical kit that has a few items in it for my eyes, and some duct tape and some patching and repair. See, look, see, I used it. I've patched my tent before. Worked great. Just showing you how I store my goods. I like to sit in my tent sometimes, get out of the wind, chill out. Yeah, I like that stuff. I recommendo. Very, what's the benefit of it? It's cheap. Um, something like that's $20. Cutting it yourself is $10. Tyvek. It's a construction material. Oh, and check this out. You can fold this back to have a completely open tent. Here, I'll show you what it looks like right quick. And then you get a real big view when you're sleeping at night. And just some different uses for my little pad. I love this thing. It's a table. It's a knee pad, doormat. A place to sit down. It's just a piece of thermalite pad.
Grams of protein.
Great stuff.
Boy, this peak stuff's great. And I only got to put a cup of water in here. That is amazing. So yeah, I'll let you look at it before and after. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. It looks delicious. Those are real noodles. It's got real cheese. Big, I mean, it's like stretchy cheese. I can't believe it. Delicious.
Alright, so that was my evening walk. I didn't make it past then. I was so tired I went back to sleep. But I woke up. Here I am about 2:30 in the morning. And I'm halfway in the tent, halfway out. Time to party. Let's get the coffee on.
Oh yeah, guys. Here we are. Got my coffee in my, I know it looks like my dope bag, huh? Yeah, well, coffee is incredible.
Yeah, so after that, looked at the morning view. Broke down the tent. Tent has enough room on the inside where I can work on the inside. So I got everything in my stuff sack sitting on my tail on the inside in a nice warm tent. That worked out nice. And breaking down that tent is real quick. Trekking pole tents are very good, very efficient. And in a little bit, you're going to see the water I filtered. Notice that it has a tint to it. That is fine. That is okay. It's filtered water. It has nothing in there that can hurt you.
All right, well, breakfast champions. Told you I was going to show you what it looks like. And the strawberries get rehydrated. They are real strawberries. They taste like real strawberries. And milk is good, kind of sweet. Beautiful out there. Look at these mountain ranges. You're going to see plenty of that today. We are going to be summiting the peak, which is to the left.
All right. Ooh, we're starting to turn corners and seeing beautiful sights. I love this. Got some action shots for you. Look at that. Hello, YouTube. And just some words. Bear with the wind, guys.
At the top of Mount Islip, and there won't be as much wind right here, so I can talk. Right there is Crystal Lake. That is the only natural lake in California. That is it. It's a natural spring that feeds that, and yeah, I love this place. That's all I got to say about that. And we have an amazing way down. We're gonna go up to the top, take a break, have a bar, and then come over here, and we're gonna travel down this backbone right here and come on down.
All right, that's enough of that. Let's get going. Hey, all right, YouTube, getting some motion to the top. And we're almost there. I'm getting excited.
Oh, how cool is that? I didn't expect that at all. This might have been the old fire watch cabin. Let's check it out. Zooming. Wow. What a cool place to camp out. Boy, nice view, huh? So this is on top of Mount Islip. So that would be his cabin. And this is where he would watch. Wow, how cool. 360-degree view. Well, this is totally worth it. All right. I got my backpack tightened down real good. Here, we'll turn it around. And my backpack's tightened down real good. And it's not bouncing around. Feels great. I could run if I wanted to, but you don't want to do that. You don't want to be too crazy. You don't want to get hurt out here. But oh, it's so pretty out here. Look at those interesting trees. Just struggling for life.
Well, all right, there I go. My goodness. That was some extra walking I did for YouTube there. So, oh man, this is so pretty. Look at those 360-degree views that you have, and you're still above the clouds. And yeah, I got on some rocks. Oh, that's living, brothers. Look at that. That is living. And I was in no danger. I was being safe. And that is one last vista, guys. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Come on, share this with a hiker. Help me out. See y'all.
Beautiful. All right. This will be the last time I record because this session is coming to an end. My car is about a mile away from here. But coming downhill is so nice. It really is. It is so great. I just saw, I think, a gray fox. It was so pretty. He was walking across a log. Got a good look at him for quite a long time. Just a picture perfect moment where I don't have my camera ready. But whoa, I'm pretty thin around here. Yeah, this is why I like having a small backpack. And the shoes are doing great. It makes something like this so nice. You can use your entire foot when you're going downhill. And I am just having, it's like a nature walk, like a guided tour. No pain in the joints. Shock is absorbed really nicely. And yeah, it's great. Sad to see it come to an end. And time to get back to the city. Thanks for joining me, guys. Space available at Chileo.
All right, if you become a member, you see those little spots on my map. I have some great alternate camping sites, so that will give you some inside information. So hit that join button and join the Doggo Running YouTube channel. And thank you very much.